welcome back to my cooking channel. I got another one for you guys tonight. I'm making beef and broccoli with a side of egg rolls on top of some white rice. So all you need is some thin steaks, some chicken egg rolls, preferably, soy sauce, white rice. I prefer the box, it's much easier for me, and broccoli cuts. But you can pretty much put any vegetable that you like. Let's get started. Alright, you guys, I started chopping my meat into cube size. Now I'm gonna get started making the rice. I'm gonna add 8 cups due to using 4 bags. Like I said, I have a larger family, so I do use larger amounts. You don't have to use all the bags, but it is 4 cups for 1 bag of rice. Alright, so now I'm gonna start getting my pan ready to cook my meat. Gonna put some oil. Right now that my pan is nice and hot, I'm going to start putting my meat in. Make sure to put it slowly so the oil don't splatter. I'm gonna start adding my seasonings. Garlic salt. Pepper. A little bit of salt. Seasoning salt. You're gonna let that brown. You're gonna let this get brown all the way through. I forgot to mention before and after handling meat, please wash your hands carefully. Wash your utensils with soap, hot water, and Clorox. So then I added my broccoli cuts to the meat when the meat was fully brown. Now I'm gonna let it pretty much cook together so the broccoli can get nice and soft. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. So my rice is pretty much done, so now I'm gonna move it over to a bowl. I'm gonna strain all the water out. So I did strain my rice. I put it back in the pot. That way I can add my salt, my pepper, and I usually use a little bit of butter that I let sit out. That way it will melt easily into my rice. I'm gonna put some onion powder. Now I'm going to stir all this up. Okay, so what I like to do is, since I like my food spicy, I'm gonna add a little bit of Valentina just to kind of give the rice a little kick, you know, not too much, but just enough. So now that my food's almost done, I got my chicken egg rolls. I just got the microwave kind due to I wanted to cook a lot faster. So I'm just gonna put it in the microwave for about like maybe 4 minutes. Now that this is cooking all together, the broccoli and the beef, I'm going to add some soy sauce to give it some flavor. You could add as much as you want. There's no limit. People tell me when they cook that they don't taste their own food. I prefer to taste my own food due to my liking, in case I might need, you know, extra ingredients or whatnot. So it's always good to try your own food. Alright, and this is a complete look. So now it's time to serve. Oh, what I forgot was on my rice, I like to put a little bit of soy sauce so it could have some flavor. Now I put my beef and broccoli on top. And then last but not least, my egg rolls. And that, my friends, is how to make beef and broccoli with egg rolls. Really cheap, really fast, really quick. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Good night.